Hi friends, welcome back to our channel I Study For You. Before we dive into today's topic, I want to remind you to hit that like button if you find this video is helpful. Your support really helps the channel to grow. Also, if you think this video can benefit others, please share it with your friends or anyone who might find it useful. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with all my latest educational videos. Alright, let's get started with today's lesson. To improve efficiency and consistency, we have utilized AI generated voice for this video. We are committed to providing high quality content and welcome your thoughts on this approach.
Stages of human growth and development. Human life starts from a microscopic beginning and undergoes many changes, transitioning through different stages before ending in old age. Each developmental stage has distinct characteristics. Observing the qualitative and quantitative changes in these stages, scientist Elizabeth Hurlock categorized human development into 10 stages. 1. Prenatal stage, from conception to birth. 2. Neonatal stage, from birth to the end of the second week. 3. Infancy, from the end of the second week to the end of the second year. 4. Early childhood, from the second year to 6 years. 5. Late childhood, from 6 to 10 or 12 years. 6. Pre-adolescence, from 10 or 12 to 13 or 14 years. 7. Adolescence, from 13 or 14 to 18 years. 8. Young adulthood, from 18 to 40 years. 9. Middle age, from 40 to 60 years. 10. Old age, 60 years and above. 1. Neonatal stage. This stage starts at birth and lasts until the end of the second week. The umbilical cord dries and falls off during this period. The newborn must adjust to life outside the womb, handling tasks like breathing and feeding independently, which were previously managed in the womb. 2. Infancy. This stage spans from the end of the second week to the end of the second year. It is characterized by rapid growth. Infants are vulnerable to illnesses and depend entirely on others for survival. Teeth usually begin to emerge between 6 and 8 months, and by the end of the first year, infants typically have 4 to 6 teeth. Sensory development is significant, with infants beginning to distinguish colors and sounds. Physical milestones include rolling over, sitting up, crawling, and eventually walking. 3. Early childhood. This stage occurs between 2 to 6 years of age. It is known as the preschool age and is marked by curiosity and exploration. Children in this stage develop social relationships, engage in play, and begin to form a sense of self. Physical growth continues, and motor skills improve. They start to engage in more structured activities, imitating adults, and their cognitive abilities start to develop rapidly. 4. Late childhood. This stage spans from 6 to 10 or 12 years of age. Known as the school age, children develop permanent teeth, and their bodies continue to grow and change. Social behavior evolves as they adapt to school environments, develop friendships, and participate in group activities. Their physical skills improve, and they begin to engage in more complex tasks like reading, writing, and playing sports. Skills development in late childhood. Skills in this stage can be classified into 4 categories. 1. Self-care skills, bathing, eating, and dressing independently. 2. Social skills, helping parents, performing household tasks, and assisting younger children. 3. School skills, reading, writing, understanding, discussing, and conducting experiments. 4. Language development, significant growth in language skills, with vocabulary expanding. Girls tend to develop language skills faster than boys and use a larger vocabulary. Research by C. Shaw found that as children age, their vocabulary increases, with children around 10 years old having approximately 34,300 words. 5. Puberty stage. Puberty typically begins around 10 years of age and continues until around 13 or 14 years. The term puberty comes from the Latin word pubertas, which means age of manhood. Puberty is the stage where a person transitions from childhood to sexual maturity. This stage is characterized by significant physical and psychological changes. For most girls, puberty begins at around 11 years of age, while for boys, it starts around 12. Characteristics of puberty. Puberty is the overlap between the late childhood years and the early years of adolescence, often referred to as the peripubertal stage. During this time, the body undergoes numerous rapid changes, both internally and externally. Puberty can be divided into 3 stages. 1. Pre-puberty stage. At this stage, secondary sexual characteristics, such as breast development in girls and voice deepening in boys, start to appear, but the reproductive system remains immature. 2. Active puberty stage. This phase is marked by the onset of menstruation in girls and nocturnal emissions, wet dreams in boys. Secondary sexual characteristics continue to develop further. 3. Post-puberty stage. During this stage, secondary sexual characteristics are fully developed, and the sexual organs reach maturity and start functioning. This period also sees rapid physical growth, often leading to psychological stress, anxiety, and feelings of insecurity in adolescents. Puberty is not uniform. It doesn't start at the same age for everyone and can vary depending on cultural and geographical factors. 6. Adolescence. Adolescence generally spans from 13 to 18 years of age. It is the transitional phase between childhood and adulthood. The word adolescence is derived from the Latin word adolescere, meaning to grow into maturity. This stage is crucial as it involves significant physical, psychological, social, and emotional development. According to Stanley Hall, adolescence is a period characterized by storm and stress, filled with conflict and turmoil. He described it as a time of emotional instability and heightened sensitivity. Gersel defines adolescence as that span of years during which boys and girls move from childhood to adulthood mentally, emotionally, socially, and physically. This highlights the critical changes that adolescents undergo as They transition from childhood to adult roles and responsibilities. Key features of adolescence. Recapitulation period. Many traits from earlier stages reappear during adolescence. Age of uncertainty. Adolescents often feel insecure as they suddenly face new changes and struggle to let go of childhood traits. Emotional instability. Adolescents may experience severe mood swings, ranging from happiness to sadness. Hero worship. Adolescents tend to idolize celebrities or athletes, collecting their pictures and attempting to emulate them. Interest in appearance. During adolescence, especially girls show an increased interest in dressing well and maintaining their appearance. Increased self-consciousness. Adolescents become more aware of themselves and how others perceive them. Desire for recognition. Adolescents crave recognition for their abilities and talents from peers and elders, and they seek to attract the attention of the opposite sex. Daydreaming. Adolescents may spend a lot of time daydreaming and imagining scenarios. Intense friendships. Friendships become very important, and adolescents may resist parental criticism of their friends. They value the ideals of their peer group and demonstrate loyalty to them. They are also critical of current events and may think about bringing social changes. Development of values and attitudes. Adolescence is the period when individuals form the values and attitudes necessary for effective participation in society. Striving for independence. Adolescents have a strong desire for self-sufficiency and want to establish themselves as independent members of society. Objective questions on human growth and development stages. 1. What is the starting point of the prenatal stage? A. Birth. B. Conception. C. The end of the second week. D. The end of the second year. Answer. B. Conception. 2. How long does the neonatal stage last? A. Until the end of the first year. B. Until the end of the second week. C. Until the end of the second month. D. Until the end of the second year. Answer. B. Until the end of the second week. 3. What is a key characteristic of the infancy stage? A. Developing permanent teeth. B. Rapid growth and vulnerability to illnesses. C. Social relationships and play. D. Onset of puberty. Answer. B. Rapid growth and vulnerability to illnesses. 4. At what age does the early childhood stage occur? A. 0 to 2 years. B. 2 to 6 years. C. 6 to 10 years. D. 10 to 14 years. Answer. B. 2 to 6 years. 5. Which stage is known as the preschool age? A. Infancy. B. Early childhood. C. Late childhood. D. Adolescence. Answer. B. Early childhood. 6. During which stage do children typically develop permanent teeth? A. Infancy. B. Early childhood. C. Late childhood. D. Adolescence. Answer. C. Late childhood. 7. At what age does adolescence begin? A. 10 or 12 years. B. 13 or 14 years. C. 15 or 16 years. D. 18 years. Answer B. 13 or 14 years. 8. What is the age range for young adulthood? A. 10 to 18 years. B. 18 to 40 years. C. 40 to 60 years. D. 60 years and above. Answer B. 18 to 40 years. 9. Which of the following is not a skill developed during late childhood? A. Reading and writing. B. Bathing and eating independently. C. Puberty changes. D. Engaging in social activities. Answer C. Puberty changes. 10. According to research by C. Shaw, how many words does a 10-year-old typically know? A. 5,000 words. B. 10,000 words. C. 20,000 words. D. 34,300 words. Answer D. 34,300 words. 11. What term is used to describe the late childhood stage? A. Pre-adolescence. B. Early childhood. C. School age. D. Neonatal. Answer C. School age. 12. What physical milestone is typically reached by the end of the infancy stage? A. Developing social relationships. B. Permanent teeth emergence. C. Rolling over and sitting up. D. Onset of puberty. Answer C. Rolling over and sitting up. 13. During which developmental stage do the first 8 teeth typically emerge? A. Prenatal stage. B. Neonatal stage. C. Infancy stage. D. Early childhood stage. Answer C. Infancy stage. 14. Which stage of development is characterized by the beginning of self-concept formation? A. Infancy. B. Early childhood. C. Late childhood. D. Adolescence. Answer B. Early childhood. 15. What term is often used to describe the period from 6 to 12 years in a child's life? A. Preschool age. B. Pre-adolescence. C. Middle childhood. D. Toddlerhood. Answer C. Middle childhood. 16. Which developmental stage is often referred to as the age of imitation? A. Neonatal. B. Infancy. C. Early childhood. D. Late childhood. Answer D. Late childhood. 17. At what age does the middle age stage begin, according to Elizabeth Hurlock? A. 30 years. B. 40 years. C. 50 years. D. 60 years. Answer B. 40 years. 18. What is a key characteristic of the late childhood stage in terms of cognitive development? A. Development of abstract thinking. B. Learning to walk and talk. C. Mastery of concrete operational thought. D. Onset of reproductive maturity. Answer C. Mastery of concrete operational thought. 19. Which stage is marked by significant exploration and risk-taking behaviors? A. Early childhood. B. Adolescence. C. Middle adulthood. D. Late adulthood. Answer B. Adolescence. 20. Which developmental stage is most associated with identity formation and role experimentation? A. Early childhood. B. Late childhood. C. Adolescence. D. Young adulthood. Answer. C. Adolescence. 21. Which stage of development includes the period when children become more independent and start forming complex social relationships? A. Neonatal. B. Infancy. C. Early childhood. D. Late childhood. Answer. D. Late childhood. 22. What is the primary focus of development during the young adulthood stage? A. Establishing career and family. B. Completing physical growth. C. Developing basic motor skills. D. Adjusting to retirement. Answer. A. Establishing career and family. 23. Which stage of development is often referred to as the critical period for language acquisition? A. Prenatal. B. Infancy. C. Early childhood. D. Late childhood. Answer. C. Early childhood. Subtopic: Puberty in adulthood. 1. At what age does puberty typically begin in girls? A. 8 years. B. 9 years. C. 11 years. D. 14 years. Answer. C. 11 years. Explanation: Puberty generally begins in girls around the age of 11 years. 2. Which stage is characterized by the appearance of secondary sexual characteristics? A. Pre-puberty stage. B. Puberty stage. C. Post-puberty stage. D. Adulthood. Answer. A. Pre-puberty stage. Explanation: During the pre-puberty stage, secondary sexual characteristics begin to appear, though the reproductive system is not yet fully developed. 3. In which stage do girls typically begin menstruation? A. Pre-puberty stage. B. Puberty stage. C. Post-puberty stage. D. Adulthood. Answer. B. Puberty stage. Explanation: Menstruation in girls typically begins during the puberty stage. 4. What is the term used to describe the overlapping period of late childhood and early adolescence? A. Transition stage. B. Critical period. C. Overlapping stage. D. Overextension stage. Answer. D. Overextension stage. Explanation: The period of late childhood and early adolescence is referred to as the overextension stage, due to the overlapping characteristics of these phases. 5. According to Stanley Hall, what is adolescence often described as? A. A period of calm and growth. B. A period of stress and storm. C. A period of stability and maturity. D. A period of confusion and chaos. Answer. B. A period of stress and storm. Explanation: Stanley Hall described adolescence as a period of stress and storm, marked by emotional turmoil and significant changes. 6. At what stage are sexual organs fully mature and functional? A. Pre-puberty stage. B. Puberty stage. C. Post-puberty stage. D. Adulthood. Answer. C. Post-puberty stage. Explanation. During the post-puberty stage, sexual organs are fully mature and begin to function effectively. 7. Which of the following is a characteristic of the adolescence stage? A. Heightened self-consciousness. B. Complete emotional stability. C. Decreased interest in peer relationships. D. Reduced sensitivity to social norms. Answer. A. Heightened self-consciousness. Explanation. Adolescents often experience heightened self-consciousness, becoming more aware of themselves and how others perceive them. 8. Who defined adolescence as that span of years during which boys and girls move from childhood to adult status? A. Stanley Hall. B. Erik Erikson. C. John Jersild. D. Jean Piaget. Answer. C. John Jersild. Explanation. John Jersild defined adolescence as the period during which boys and girls transition from childhood to adult status, encompassing mental, emotional, social, and physical development. 9. What term is used to describe the age when adolescents may feel uncertain about themselves due to rapid changes? A. Age of stability. B. Age of insecurity. C. Age of growth. D. Age of uncertainty. Answer. D. Age of uncertainty. Explanation. Adolescents often experience an age of uncertainty due to the rapid physical, emotional, and social changes occurring during this period. 10. What is the Latin origin of the term adolescence? A. Adolescere, meaning to grow into maturity. B. Juvenis, meaning young. C. Puber, meaning ripe. D. Infans, meaning not speaking. Answer. A. Adolescere, meaning to grow into maturity. Explanation. The term adolescence is derived from the Latin word adolescere, which means to grow into maturity, reflecting the developmental changes during this stage. 11. In which phase of puberty do secondary sexual characteristics become more noticeable, but reproductive organs are not yet fully mature? A. Early puberty stage. B. Mid-puberty stage. C. Prepubertal stage. D. Postpubertal stage. Answer. A. Early puberty stage. Explanation. The early puberty stage is characterized by the appearance of secondary sexual characteristics while the reproductive organs are still developing. 12. What is the term for the adolescence stage where individuals experience rapid and significant physical changes, leading to emotional stress? A. Prepubertal stage. B. Mid-puberty stage. C. Early adolescence stage. D. Postpubertal stage. Answer. B. Mid-puberty stage. Explanation. The mid-puberty stage involves rapid physical changes and can lead to emotional stress as adolescents adapt to these changes. 13. Which psychologist is known for describing adolescence as a time of storm and stress, highlighting the emotional upheaval during this period? A. Jean Piaget. B. Erik Erikson. C. Stanley Hall. D. Lev Vygotsky. Answer. C. Stanley Hall. Explanation. Stanley Hall described adolescence as a period of storm and stress, focusing on the emotional and developmental challenges faced during this stage. 14. According to Gerseld, what does adolescence encompass beyond physical development? A. Only emotional development. B. Only social development. C. Emotional, social, and physical development. D. Only cognitive development. Answer. C. Emotional, social, and physical development. Explanation. Gerseld's definition includes emotional, social, and physical development as key aspects of adolescence, reflecting the comprehensive nature of this transition period. 15. In which adolescence stage do individuals typically experience the most significant social and emotional changes, including increased self-consciousness and the pursuit of peer approval? A. Prepubertal stage. B. Early puberty stage. C. Mid-puberty stage. D. Late adolescence stage. Answer. D. Late adolescence stage. Explanation. The late adolescence stage is marked by significant social and emotional changes, including heightened self-consciousness and a strong desire for peer approval.